California, ain't there? See, the corners keep on getting longer and longer. You know?
We get closer right now.
I see a red dot in there. I want to see what that means. There's a kayak right there to your left. Is there some kind of cove here or something? Look how shallow it's getting. Look at that little inlet to your right, to your left, right. I see another kayak right in front of us. Now see, they load you. You can work something out with a company where they load you, and they have to get a special. You got to buy a special permit. What is that? Stick?
Yeah.
So basically it costs you about 120 bucks for them to take your kayak to the water. And I don't know if that's a pickup or not. I think it is. But usually they do like 8 or 10, you know.